Hi, my name is Nicole Salato, and I am the Parts and Service Lead here at MAR2025. I've been in the industry for almost 10 years. I bring a knowledge of parts and service, customer service, and when the machine is down and you need expedited service to get your machine up and running. What sets us apart is that we have a quick response. We know that if your machine is down, you're not producing, you're not making money, and we do a quick response. We like to get our technicians on site and get you back up and running. MAR2025 services all major brands of fabrication equipment. We service press brakes, lasers, shears, band saws. The most common service requests we receive: alignment of your machine, calibration, the computer screen isn't going on, preventative maintenance, drifting. I would say those are the major issues we get, yes. Preventative maintenance is very important in extending the life of your machine. If you take care of your machine now, it will take care of you later. Keeping it clean, keeping the filters clean, the oil changed is very important to keeping the span of your machine going. The technician is going to go through the entire machine, tighten, grease, make sure everything is functioning properly. They're going to change the filters on your machine. They're going to add new oil to your machine. And then they're going to just do an overall inspection, make sure that everything is functioning properly. If something needs to be replaced, if part is broken or whatever is keeping your machine running at peak performance. We have a few options. We can have a technician give you a call for our tech support that can help you get the machine up and running over the phone. We also have on-site service. Our technician can be dispatched as quickly as possible. When a customer schedules service with MAR2025, they can expect good communication, a professional technician that knows what he's doing on the machine and can resolve the issues, and follow-up. We support customers with a phone support package if your machine is out of warranty. If your machine is in warranty, we can get a technician to support you over the phone, go through the issues that you're having, and then see if there is a way that we can get you up and running before scheduling an on-site service visit. MAR2025 can provide training for the machine functions and also for maintaining the machine. We can teach you guys how to do the programming and the tooling and all this stuff to operate the machine. And then we can also give you basic instructions on how to, if this is going on with your machine, this is what I would check first. The technicians communicate well with the office of what the customer needs to get them back up and running. They notify us that you are down without this part and we need to get it done as quick as possible. So we manage that by having parts in stock. We manage that by communicating with our suppliers. I would give me a call and we can get that set up. And give me the machine make, model, and serial number. I can start looking into what filters on your machine needs to be replaced, the oil capacity of your machine, and we can get that set up and scheduled for a technician to come out on site. You can reach out to MAR2025 directly. Our phone number is 414-486-9700, or you can reach out to me through my email address at nicole@mac-tech.com, MAC-TECH. We'd be more than happy to help you.